Hello everyone, welcome back. And I'm very sorry guys for not uploading for a while. I have some financial problems that showed up, and I'm very sorry for not uploading for a while. And I'm so sorry for, very inconsistent. I mean, you can tell I have been in some problems lately, and eventually, and I hope it will be overcame. And for the future of the channel, I'm gonna be focusing more on business and finance related, as it's pretty hard for me right now to be doing unboxing when everything has been very very unstable. So I'm so sorry guys for making you guys wait, and thank you for understanding, and goodbye.